Hi everyone, James G0SEC here. Another scorching day out there. Absolutely scorching. But, not as hot as yesterday though, because it is, just show you, if you can see that, let me just shut the door a minute, there's a bit of light there. It is 28 degrees today. The highest was just nearly 30, 29.9. So it's just gone down to 27.4 there. So the dog seems to be liking it. Anyway, reason for the video. I thought I haven't done one for a while, so thought let's do an update. And just turn the light on a minute. I've got the door shut and it's a bit dark in here. So, what's new? You might think. Well, there's something up here that's new. Let me just show you. Turn that light off a minute, and then hopefully you'll be able to see it. It looks a bit pinky in the camera, but it's not actually pinky, and it might sort of flicker a little bit, and it doesn't really flicker in real life, it's the camera. But I picked this up, just couldn't resist it. It's at a slight angle, it's 6 foot long, and I'm going to change a few of the countries. I'm having London in the middle here, I'm going to have Washington stay the same, and then I'm going to have Los Angeles here, and then I'm going to keep Moscow the same, and then here I'm going to have Hong Kong, and then here I'm going to have Australia. But and I'm going to set the times, of course. So that's the got aeroplane flying over, I think. Hang on, just going to shut the door a bit so you can hear me. Oh no, someone cutting the lawn actually. So the thing I've got to do now is to bury the cable, and like I did with the weather station, there's no cables there, and I'm going to do the same sort of thing with the overhead clock, and that's going to take a little bit of a while, but it's something I want to get done. I had this show up on my group, and I thought, oh, I'll snap that up definitely, and it was like it was made for my shack. It really is. Just show you what it's like from looking in from the garden. It's just really, really nice. Something I just wanted. I've always wanted one actually for the shack, so thought, yeah, why not? Let's do it. But shack is coming on. I've got the these bits here will slot in. I don't know if you can see that. These here, I've done some dowels at the back, and these slot in here. That's for that one actually. So let me just show you quickly. They slot in place like that, and then the top will slot into that, and so forth. So it's getting there. This is I've done these holes here are for the audio rack. The audio rack slots in there. And so it's getting there slowly. I'm going to be working, when I've got the clock wire buried in the wall, the next job is to get the second shaft done, and then build a unit here which is going to be for the power supplies. It's getting there slowly, it's getting there slowly. But I thought I'd just do this quick video for you. Oh, he's had enough of the heat. I thought I'd do this quick video for you so you can see where I'm up to at the moment. Loving the desk. It's been a challenge to make it, but it's going to be great when it's done. It's what I call my dream shack desk. And it does look good with the overhead, and looking forward to getting the monitor on the wall, and it's all good, it's all good. Got to do it this year. I don't want another year of being off the radio. See you soon guys. I hope you liked the video. Just a quick one from James G0SEC. Bye for now.